Welcome to St Mary's College, a wonderful place for young people to learn, grow and thrive. Here at St Mary's, we're a community of learners, empowering young people to know themselves and find their place in the world. Our Catholic Dominican tradition inspires us to be seekers of truth. This means we encourage young people to explore, question and dialogue. Our core values of truth, justice and community are lived in our learning and relationships and in our outreach programs beyond the school. We're a genuinely integrated R-12 learning community, which means that our youngest and oldest students are often seen learning together. From the time your daughter starts at St Mary's College, she will have access to specialist facilities and programs in STEM, the arts, English and humanities, religious education and health and PE. Our care education and learning support programs ensure wraparound support for every student. And our flexible approach to learning means that there are diverse pathways for success. Our Wellbeing Centre is in the heart of our school, and here your child has access to specialist facilities and support, because we know that being in a positive state of wellbeing is really at the heart of successful learning. Through our comprehensive approach to student leadership, our students have voice both within and beyond the school. We want the young women of St Mary's College to be empowered to speak up. The city precinct is used in many different ways to enhance the learning opportunities of our students. Relationships are at the heart of everything we do, and we believe that you can feel that from the moment you arrive at the college. Please join me for a school tour and let our students share with you all of the things they love about St Mary's College.